This homemade drink helps lower blood pressure and boosts heart health naturally. First, we're gonna need 40 grams of fresh ginger. Peel it and slice it. Ginger is a powerhouse of antioxidants that improve circulation and help regulate blood pressure. It has natural anti-inflammatory properties that support heart health and aid digestion, reducing bloating and discomfort. Plus, studies suggest it enhances cognitive function by improving blood flow to the brain. Now put ginger into the blender. Next, take one orange, cut it in half, and squeeze out the fresh juice. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system, supports blood vessel health, and helps reduce oxidative stress, a key factor in high blood pressure. Pour orange juice into the blender. Now grab one lemon and extract its juice as well. Like oranges, lemons are loaded with vitamin C, but they also contain citrus flavonoids, which have been shown to help lower cholesterol and support heart function. Lemon's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make this drink even more powerful. If you are watching my videos for the first time, I invite you to subscribe and tap the bell icon for easy must-know health tips. Pour the lemon juice into the blender. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 200 milliliters of water. Turmeric is a powerhouse anti-inflammatory spice. Its active compound, curcumin, helps reduce arterial stiffness, supports blood flow, and may even improve cognitive function. Blend everything together until smooth. Strain the mixture through a sieve. A quick note before I explain to you how to use this drink. This video is not a medical advice. If you're sensitive to any of these ingredients, or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, check with your doctor first if you can use this drink. This is how you're gonna use it. Drink 15 to 20 milliliters every morning on an empty stomach and store it up to 2 weeks in your fridge.